Hi, my name is Jeremy.
Hello, I'm Stacia.
We taught level 1 Charleston for the first week of this module or session.
It was very fun. So welcome to the Charleston fun here. We started just with talking about how to move by ourselves.
That's right.
Should we turn around?
Yeah, sure.
So we just started with the basic pattern with touch steps. Went like this: 5, 6, 7, 8. Touch, step, touch, step. If you had the bandwidth to get your arms into this, they're going to alternate. Hoop. Huh. If you're counting at home, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we started to add in rock steps and kick steps. We'll show you sequentially what that was. We added in a rock step next. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock step, step, touch, step.
Yep. Rock step, step.
We added in the kick step next.
Rock step, kick step, touch,
step. And then the last one had the double kick step. Kick and kick step. Hoop. Huh? 5, 6, 7, 8. We also talked about how there's a little back and forward momentum in this one. 5, 6, 7, 8, and that really helped. We also talked about keeping our hips back and all the things. So we'll keep working on that, but we did partner up.
Yeah, we'll do it this way. We linked up here about mid-level height. The arm gets plopped down here.
Plopping their arm down.
And we just did it the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back and forward, forward and back. We did a little skip up. It looks like this. We'll do a little bit more next time. We move down a line with a big kick at the end.
Y'all nailed it. We'll see you next time.
Bye.